This is a 2005 Honda Pilot. Safety, space, and comfort. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sunroof, heated seats, a low-tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and roof rails. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a premium audio system, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, multi-reflector halogen headlights, a HomeLink feature, and an anti-theft protection system. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.